Hi kids, welcome to the super fun Robo quiz show. Get ready to challenge your imagination with some hilarious Italian brainrot versions of Sprunki Part 28. No more waiting. Let's jump right into the first round. Here's a bold one. Can you guess who this is?
Chef Crabracadabra. Half man, half crab.
Great! Chef Crabracadabra.
Chef Crabracadabra. Half man, half crab.
Try to figure this one out.
Frigo Camelo, buffo fardello, nel centro della città, tra macchine.
Right! Frigo Camelo.
Frigo Camelo, buffo fardello, nel centro della città, tra macchine e calore.
Now make your choice. Who is funnier?
Crabracadabra. Half man, half...
Money!
Tell us in the comment your choice. Now, who is this?
Brr brr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim.
Yes, Border Burporpa Mime.
Brr brr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim.
Brr patapim, 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 patapim,
Who do you think it is? Ballerina Capuccino.
Ballerina.
Cast your vote. Who brings the bigger
Brr
laughs?
patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim.
Hit like for the first, sub for the second. Next round, guess this one.
Boom, boom, boom. Tigrulini, watermelini.
Very good. Tigrulini watermelini.
Boom, boom, boom. Tigrulini, watermelini. Arrar!
Who's behind this look?
Top Toby, top top Toby, top top Toby top. Bukanlah unta biasa.
Treco tu cotulu della Peladustus.
Top Toby, top top Toby, top top Toby top. Bukanlah unta biasa.
Next challenge for you, remember the position of all characters. Where is Fruli Frula located? That's it. You're remembering well. Now tell us, who would you rather?
Boom, boom, boom. Tigrulini watermelini.
Who the heck is Tigarulini Watermelini? Deep in the jungle live.
Share your vote in the comments. Next round, who do you think?
Zebra Zobra, Zebrini Zebrolini, Zebra Zebra
Well, Zebra Zubra Zebralini.
Zebra Zobra, Zebrini Zebrolini, Zebra Zebra Zebrocini.
Now, try to figure out who is this.
Ricky Tracatelas, le rinocerona cacto cactusita.
Tricky Tracatelas.
Ricky Tracatelas, le rinocerona cacto cactusita.
Now squint, can you spot Ballerina Capuccina's real eyes? Very good. B is correct answer. Which one made you laugh more?
Ricky Tracatelas, le rinocerona cacto cactusita.
Le rinocerona cacto cactusita. Di frente duce tam horripilanti.
Like for the first, sub for the second. Who's this character now?
La boo 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 boo.
La Boo Boo. That right.
La boo 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 boo.
Moving on, who do you think this time?
Bombom, Gorrillo, Watermelon Duelo.
Gorilla Watermelon Drillo.
Bombom, Gorrillo, Watermelon Duelo.
Which one do you like better?
Bombom, Gorrillo, Watermelon Duelo.
No.
Your turn to choose. Comment below. New challenge unlocked. Hope you remembered everyone's position. Where is Frigo Camelo located? You are good. Here he is. Next round. Guess this one.
Craipusi medusi, Craipusini medus.
Correctly, Graipusi Medusi.
Craipusi medusi, Craipusini medusini.
Can you name this Italian brain rot animal?
Frulli frulla. Un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla bla bla. Con antenne sopra il
Right! Frulli frulla.
Frulli frulla. Un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla bla bla. Con antenne sopra il dorso prende la TV.
So, who's your favorite? Tell us now.
Medusi, Crapuccini,
Si medussi, Crapuccini, medussini.
Comment your choice. Can you guess this round?
Panzini, bananini, 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 bananini.
Chimpanzini Bananini.
Panzini, bananini, 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 bananini. Panzini, bananini, 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 bananini. Panzini, bananini, 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 bananini.
Try to recognize this character.
Biscotto per cani, biscotto per cani, biscotto per cani.
That right, Biscuit Dog.
Biscotto per cani, biscotto per cani, biscotto per cani. Wah wah wah, wah wah wah, wah wah wah, wah wah wah. Biscotto per cani, biscotto per cani, biscotto per cani.
Pick the one you like more.
Panzini, bananini, 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 bananini. Chimpanzini, bananini, bananini.
Tell us in the comment your choice. Next round, who do you think?
Brr, es teh patipung. Bukan sembarangan es.
Baker Ease. Te patipum.
Brr, es teh patipung. Bukan sembarangan es teh.
Who's this supposed to be?
È il T-Rexo Durexo che penetra nell'ano di Victor Bertuelo e che gioca a
Trexo Durexo.
È il T-Rexo Durexo che penetra nell'ano di Victor Bertuelo e che gioca a Fortnite.
Remember Biscuit Dog's eye? Pick the right one. Great! The correct answer is A. Which one do you like better?
È il T-Rexo Durexo che penetra nell'ano di Victor Bertuelo e
È il T-Rexo Durexo che penetra nell'ano di Victor Bertuelo e che gioca.
Tell us below. Next round, who do you think?
Tralalero, tralala.
Tralero Trala.
Tralalero, tralala. Tralalero.
Now, try to figure out who is this.
Trick track, 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 baraboom.
Trick Track Barabomb.
Trick track, 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 baraboom, 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 baraboom. Trick track, 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 baraboom.
Yay! Robo hopes you had lots of fun with the challenge. Ready for more? Pick your next one right down below. If you found our quiz entertaining, be sure to like and subscribe to Robo Quiz for more fun. Until next time, bye for now.